Hello guys, this is your friend and your host here and your younger brother. Today we are going to unbox this soundbar called ZEBRONICS Juke BAR 4100. Let's start it. So this is my first time, I maybe silly to open it. Oh, here's the place we can put it, and here's the beautiful product that is called ZEBRONICS Juke BAR 4100, guys. Oops. And here it is. So you can have a look, guys. Till I make this testing. Isn't it beautiful? The color is black. Hope you like it. If you like it, please support us. Your simple subscribe will help a lot and give the motivation continue. So let's open this. It is tightly packed, guys. It's not easy task to open it. Wow. Beauty, beauty, beauty. I think we need two. Okay. This is the subwoofer that we have. Wow. It's a beautiful piece of art. I can tell you. See what is the size. The size is really awesome, guys. Wow. I can tell you, guys, it is really beautiful, and you can also have a close look. See, isn't it beautiful? So I have recently purchased this from Great India Festival from Amazon, and it has costed me 66,000 with the extended warranty. The initial price was 5,200, and then I have done additional top up of 800, which has provided me 2 years of extended warranty. So this is one thing. Now let's check it out. The next thing we have. Wow, guys, wow, beautiful packing. So you are liking the video also. And this is the sound bar that we have. Wow guys, wow, it's really beautiful. I can tell you, you can see the piano finish given here. This is the grill, metal grill, which will support, which will save your product from any physical damage as well. But there is no warranty covered. There is no warranty, I would say, for any accidental loss of the product or something. And there are the additional thing that you can see, the remote control of the product. It's beautiful. See how handy it is, very small one. It's very compact, and you can see there is a curve also. It is like aerodynamically good. Yeah, but you need to go and you need to rush for the shop because there are no batteries provided. So you have to go to the shop to buy it. Alright. But the quality, I would say, it's a finished product. It looks, but the quality of this specifically, I'm talking about the remote control. It is like a very cheap plastic. The product is finished, but the plastic is cheap. Yeah. This is the, I believe, the guarantee card. There are, I think this is, we can put under this sound bar for us additional support. There is one aux cable provided, and these screws are provided for you, that if you want to hang it on a wall. Now see, and do comment in the chat that if you like the product, support us. We will be giving this type of review in future as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we will be playing some music in a short break. Thank us, subscribers. Please like us, subscribe us, and support us, because nobody has paid a single penny for me to buy this product. So I am buying this product from my pocket, and then I'm here to review for you. Thank you guys. If you like the video, if you like our work, please support us through subscribing. Thank you so much.